everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadhvi, and in today's video I will be sharing my current favorite hair care products, hair care routine, and some of the hair care tips that work pretty well for my hair. So before getting started with the video, I want you guys to know my hair type. Firstly, this is not the natural texture of my hair. I've styled them so that they look a certain way. So I have dry, frizzy, and really thick hair with an oily scalp. So if your hair type is similar to mine, then these products might work for you as well. So guys, I love to experiment with my hair, but at the same time I'm really afraid that it will damage my hair in some or the other way. So I avoid getting a lot of treatments done to my hair. Like I get my hair colored once in 2 years or something like that. So this is the second time I got my hair colored, and I got a balayage done. So if you guys have missed out on my hair transformation video, then I will be linking that too, and you can check it out if you want to. Alright guys, getting started, first we're going to talk about shampoos and conditioner. So currently I'm using this L'Oreal Total Repair 5, and this has worked pretty well for my hair. It does make my hair soft and it smells really nice. And one thing I really like about this shampoo is that it does not dry out the scalp. Like I've used other shampoos and I face this problem of dry scalp where I can see some flakes, but there is no such problem with this shampoo. Okay guys, so earlier I used to wash my hair every alternate day, but that made my hair really rough and dry. So I cut it down to 2 times a week, and now I stick to it unless it's necessary. So I keep on switching between shampoos. Like sometimes I use this and sometimes I switch to Biolage. This does have paraben and SLS, so that's the reason I keep switching shampoos. Again, the conditioner that I use is from L'Oreal, and this is the Total Repair 5 conditioner. I apply this only on the length and not on the scalp because I already have an oily scalp and I don't want to make it more oily. So what this does is this makes my hair look sleek. Like if I don't use a conditioner, my hair are gonna look like this, but with the help of the conditioner they look more sleek and like more settled down. Don't stick to one conditioner. Sometimes I use this L'Oreal Total Repair 5, and sometimes I switch to L'Oreal Fall Resistant or Color Protectant. So like I keep on switching between conditioners as well. But as far as we talk about L'Oreal conditioners, they are really nice. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about hair mask, and my current favorite is from Biolage Fiberstrong Strengthening Mask. So I bought this with the Fiberstrong shampoo, and as I've said earlier that I keep on switching between L'Oreal or Biolage. So the shampoo got over, then I switched to this. First I'm going to talk about the packaging. This is a bulky plastic tub and is not at all travel friendly. So whenever I'm traveling, I always have to shift this to another small jar, which gets messy and it's like a whole process. So guys, I use this hair mask once in a week or maybe 10 days, and like I've said earlier that I wash my hair 2 times a week. So once I will oil my hair and then wash my hair. Like I'm going to leave the oil overnight, and for the second wash I will be using the hair mask. So that's how I go about it. It has a really refreshing smell to it, and I will be talking about the fragrance of each and every product that I will be showing you in the video, because I'm literally a sucker for good fragrance and I'm always looking for hair care and skincare products that have good smell to it. So now we're going to talk about the texture of this mask. So as you can see, it's not very heavy in texture. It's very light and opaque, and I really like this formula over thick creamy ones. When I apply this hair mask, I like to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and I like to wrap it up with a hot towel. By doing this, it makes a huge difference. It actually makes my hair really soft, smooth, less frizzy and more manageable. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about dry shampoo. I've recently started using it, so I've just invested in one, and this is Bblunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo. So this does absorb the excess oil, grease, and this kind of revamps the hair, but it does not add volume to the hair, and this has a really mild fragrance to it. So if you have a sweaty scalp or fragrance issues, so this will really not help with that. So now I'm going to show you the hair serums that I use. The first one is again from Bblunt. This is Intense Moisture Hair Serum. So this has avocado, argan oils and vitamin E, and this is a plastic bottle which is quite travel friendly. So I'm just going to take half a pump of it and I'm gonna apply it. So as you guys can see that I have slight frizz over here, so I'm just gonna apply it. So this does very well in hydrating my hair, and as I have dry ends, so it keeps them moisturized. You can see it adds a really nice shine to it, and it makes my hair super soft. Guys, you can clearly see this difference. The frizz is now gone as compared to this side. This looks more sleek and settled down. This is super lightweight and this spreads easily on the hair, and this can be used both on wet or dry hair. I would highly recommend this Bblunt's Intense Moisture Serum to you guys if you're looking to make your hair more manageable, to control the frizziness and to make your hair look more shiny. Next is L'Oreal Total Repair Smoothing Hair Serum. So I apply this right after washing my hair. It detangles my hair effectively, which leads to less hair fall, but this works equally great on dry hair too if you're looking to control the frizziness. It's a travel friendly packaging. It has a pleasant smell to it, but it does control frizziness to some extent. Like if the weather is humid or if it's windy, then your hair will start looking frizzy again. Apart from this, I haven't noticed any significant difference to say that it makes my hair smoother, stronger, or it repairs the split ends. That's about it. It does control frizziness to some extent, but yes, it will make your hair soft. And from Livon, affordable travel friendly packaging, I like to keep these two serums in my bag because my hair gets frizzy again and again, so I need something to make them look sleek. This has an amazing floral fragrance to it and it's reasonably priced. So whenever I feel that my hair is looking messy, I just use a small coin size of it and apply it to make my hair look more shiny. So I'm just going to apply it on this side. I'm just going to take a small amount of it and I'm going to rub it and apply it on the length. So that's all about hair serums. These were some of my recommendations. Moving on to the heat protection spray. So it was really important for me to incorporate a heat protection spray into my hair care routine because I make styling videos and I have to style my videos quite often. So I use this Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist from Bblunt. Firstly, this is a weightless heat protection mist and this kind of prepares your hair for a great styling session. And if you have this, then you can continue to use your heat styling tools. Like earlier, I used to have a lot of split ends just because of the heat styling tools, but since I started using this, my split ends have definitely reduced to a huge extent. Main ingredient is grapeseed oil and provitamin B5, and this is organic and vegan. Also guys, this smells so amazing, like I cannot even explain it to you guys. So if you're looking for a heat protection spray, then you can definitely get your hands on this and you will not regret buying these hair care products. I even apply some homemade hair mask and I feel aloe vera and curd, they work amazing for the hair. And I've also shared some videos on Instagram about the homemade hair mask, so don't forget to follow me there. So I hope you guys find this video helpful and I will be linking all the products in the description box. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video.